So in this video, I'm going to break down how much YouTube has paid me for the past 5 months since being monetized on a fairly new channel. I want to show you how I reached 1,000 subscribers, the videos that did and didn't work to help me reach that goal even faster, and then all the analytics to back it up, including how much YouTube has paid me. So we're going to take a look inside my YouTube studio and you're going to see all the figures that to go with that. So first of all, why are 1,000 subscribers such a big benchmark for new YouTubers? Well, when you reach 1,000 subscribers as a YouTuber, you are enabled to join YouTube's partner program, which is where you can start earning money from YouTube through AdSense. So you can run adverts on your videos and you can share a portion of the revenue that your videos create through ads. You may have seen them on videos, the start, in the middle, at the end of videos. So that is why most new YouTubers aim for 1,000 subscribers as their first big benchmark to hit. And it took me about 45 videos to reach 1,000 subscribers on a second channel. Bit of a background on me. I've been creating videos now since December 2017 or something, so I'm not new to YouTube. I have a second channel which I started, as well as my main channel which has nearly 80,000 subscribers on it, and I wanted to start a second channel as a kind of mini niche and a different area to talk about a certain expertise I have in action cameras. So I do a lot of mountain biking and use action cameras to record all my adventures riding. I feel that if I put all my tutorials and expertise on my main Wolfpack Adventures channel, it would kind of dilute away from what that channel was made for in the first place. So I decided to start a separate channel, build up my expertise and host all my tutorials and action camera content on there, so I could really build up an audience of people who are after that very specific type of content. I chose action cameras as a channel niche to focus on because I have a lot of expertise in these types of cameras. I know my way around the camera. I use them pretty much on a daily basis, so I thought it was the best choice for me to go into that area. I will never run out of content ideas. It's fairly easy for me to make videos without burning out, and I have a lot of knowledge in that area, so it just makes sense. When I first started creating videos on this second channel, I first decided what videos I was going to create. One of the biggest challenges new creators and new YouTubers struggle with is what to create videos about. The first place I looked was challenges and struggles that I myself struggled with. So this came down to first talking about beginner camera setup, how to shoot videos, how to edit videos, how to export videos. Pretty much every single question I wrote down on a piece of paper and just started creating content around those topics. Rather than just pressing record without a plan, I actually wrote down every single video with bullet points on each one, so I knew exactly what to talk about and how to create a video people would enjoy. I didn't just like press record and start waffling on and creating content that didn't really have a structure to it. I wanted to create content that was super specific and answered very specific questions. We call these search-based content videos or educational videos. YouTube is one of the biggest search engines, as second to Google. So people go to YouTube to search for answers to questions, and you can create content that answers those questions very specifically. Obviously, we have different types of content, from entertainment all the way through to very specific search-based content like I'm creating on this channel. For a new YouTuber, I definitely would focus on creating search-based content so you're answering very specific questions in your area of expertise and in your niche. I also looked at what was already trending in my niche. So I searched how-to action cameras on YouTube and was looking at what other creators were already creating and looked at ways that I could create different content or add my own little spin on things to make my content different, if that makes sense. So it's kind of leveraging off what people are already searching for, but trying to add my own unique spin and my own personality into those videos. And when I first started creating videos, I can practically guarantee those will be the same for any new YouTuber, but my first 10, 20 videos barely got any views or traction whatsoever. And it can be quite disheartening because you put all this effort into a video for it not to go viral or get views. And don't get me wrong, new YouTubers can make videos that go viral. You should never focus on that as the metric. Never look at subscribers and views to start with, because they're just kind of vanity metrics really. You just need to focus on making videos to the best of your ability that answer specific questions. Focus on quantity to begin with. Don't focus on quality too much. Get a video that is 80% of the way there and then just post it. Then start creating your next video and keep posting, keep posting, keep posting. Don't become this enemy of perfectionism and only post a video when it's absolutely perfect, because I can guarantee you'll be disheartened with how much energy you put into a video for it not to get the views you're expecting. The views will come down the road, and that's another great thing about YouTube. Because it's an evergreen platform, YouTube is constantly serving your videos to new audiences all the time for years to come, which is why videos will continue to get views for months and years to come and make money for months and years to come. Don't just think that your video is going to like peak and then not get any more traction, because YouTube is always trying to find content to match the right audience. It's always going out finding the right audience for your video. So you just need to keep creating content until YouTube understands what your channel is creating content on. And this could take 10, 20, 30, 40, maybe even more videos until YouTube recognizes, Alex is creating content action cameras. I'm going to go and serve his content to this specific type of person. And that's when you'll start to see these subscribers grow and your views grow on all your videos. It's not uncommon to see videos get really, really high amounts of views months after you've posted it, which is really, really weird, but it will happen. Because once YouTube finds the audience for you, it will consistently keep serving your videos to those audiences, which is the most amazing thing about YouTube. So like I said, it was about 45 videos until I reached my first 1,000 subscribers and I was able to get monetized. As soon as I got monetized, I turned my monetization on. I applied to join the YouTube Partner Program. I was approved, and then all my videos were eligible to make money, which is where I wanted to go, which is what most YouTubers strive for when they're first starting out. So now you're asking, how much money has this new channel made? Well, we'll jump over to YouTube Studio now, and I'm going to show you behind the scenes of how much money my new channel has made in the last 5 months since being monetized. Okay, so as we can see here, we are now in my YouTube Studio, and we're going to go into channel analytics, and I'm going to show you exactly how much money the channel has made, as well as some of the videos that have made the most money and some that have been a bit of a flop so far. As we can see here, my channel since May, so about 5 months ago, has generated $347 in estimated revenue. Now this isn't massive amounts of money, it's not life-changing money, but the thing about YouTube, you have to always remember, it is going to grow exponentially. So this channel will never grow linearly. If I keep creating videos on this channel, YouTube will keep serving these videos to new audiences, which means the amount of money that I'm able to generate from Google AdSense is going to exponentially increase as well. We'll imagine in the next year or so that this will be a fairly substantial number, which is great for me. And it also should act as motivation and inspiration for yourself if you're just starting out on YouTube. Now, if we go into look at how much money this has made like on a daily basis, I'll just give you an idea. So sometimes it's hovering between about $3 and $5, $4 there every single day, and more recently it started to creeping up again, which is fantastic. If we scroll down here and we can look at the videos that have made the most amount of money, you can see here there's one how to transfer videos and photos to a computer with an Insta360 camera, how to mount a GoPro chest mount, a very specific GoPro hack. They're all very specific videos that answer very specific questions. So remember that in your niche. So if I click on this video, I'll show how much this has made so far. So this is a relatively new video, 63,000 views, and has made a grand total of $88. Again, which is not life-changing money, but if we look at this exponential curve, this is just going to continue to grow. And the same goes for some of the other videos as well. Look at this one. 39,000 views again. Can you see how the exponential growth is going up? $20. Again, not massive numbers, but can you imagine if you've got hundreds of these videos just working away for you? Now this is a full editing tutorial, like 12 minutes long. Again, this peaked a little bit, which you might get that sometimes, but there's no reason why YouTube wouldn't pick this up in the future and start showing it to new people. So that's just a sneak peek behind my YouTube Studio to show you how much money YouTube has paid me in the last 5 months. And I'm going to do another video like this in the months to come so you can see the exponential growth and how much YouTube actually pays creators and whether it's possible to create a living just solely off YouTube. If you're interested in learning more about how to grow a channel, in the description below I'm going to put a link which you can click and you can join my email list where I'll be sending out tips and strategies for getting started on YouTube, and who knows, in the future I may even make a course on how to actually start and grow a channel from scratch. If you want to be the first to be notified about that, click the link in the description, jump on the list, and we'll see you in the next video.